Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Is the pH of it an acid base or neutral? Correct answer is pH of it is considered a base. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14 with values below 7 indicating acidity, 7 being neutral, and values above 7 indicating alkalinity or basicity. In the case of a pH of 8, it falls within the basic side of the scale, signifying a solution with a higher concentration of hydroxide ions compared to hydrogen ions. This characteristic is typical of bases which can often be identified by their ability to accept protons or donate hydroxide ions in a chemical reaction. Understanding the pH scale is crucial in various fields, including chemistry, biology, environmental science, and even everyday applications like household cleaning products and personal care items. Knowing whether a substance is acidic, basic, or neutral plays a vital role in chemical reactions, biological processes, and maintaining a balanced ecosystem. So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.